Welcome. In front of me I have ULEFONE Armor 3W, and today we are going to make face unlock test. We are going to check how fast and how reliable is this unlock method on the smartphone. So I just register my face, and right now I'm going to lock the screen and just make a few tries. So let's start. As you can see, it recognized face really fast and it worked every time. Okay, as you can see here, we got the first fail. Let's try another time. Another one. I'm sitting in the same position. Okay, right now it is working. So as you can see, sometimes it works really well and really good. It is very fast, but in some cases we got here the 2 fails, and also the one time it takes a few seconds more to unlock smartphone. So I can say that it works, but it's not the best face unlock on the smartphone. I can even say that it's one of the worst that I already test, and I use a lot of smartphones. So if you would like to use this unlock method, I'm not sure about that, because I think that this scanner, fingerprint scanner, works better and it's reliable. Although this face unlock, as you can see, it takes too much time to unlock. So definitely in this smartphone, better way is to unlock your phone with this fingerprint sensor. And yeah, that's how the test unlock looks on the smartphone. Thank you for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel. See ya!